How to add movie tickets to Apple Wallet. The very first thing you want to do is, in the search bar, search for wallet and then move into this application wallet. Enter your login credentials and then sign into your account. Once you have been signed in, it will land you on this home page. Over here it says boarding passes and tickets all in one place. Click on Get. Two options will be available to you. One is Find Apps for Wallet and the other is Scan Code. You can choose any of the options from here. Let me click on Find Apps for Wallet. Now move into the app in which your movie tickets lies. For now, I don't have any of the movie tickets. So let me try selecting the boarding pass. Once you click on it, it will land you on this page. Well, this is the United Airlines boarding pass. All you want to do is click on Add at the top right corner. Once you click on Add, it will be added to your Apple Wallet. Similarly, you have to select your movie ticket and then click on Add at the top right corner, and then it will be added on your Apple Wallet. So that's all it takes in order to add movie tickets to your Apple Wallet. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.